Okay, welcome back to my new video on Golang using for loops. For loop is the only looping construct in Golang. There is nothing like while loop for each loop as other programming language like Python and Java does. Golang has only for loops, but it can be declared in several ways. So let's jump right into the IDE, and I'm going to show you how to use for loops in Go. All right, so I'm already in the IDE. I'm going to create a directory and then call it for loops. Okay, and within the for loops directory, I'm going to create a main file. So I'm going to jump into the main function, and then I'll declare a variable called I colon equals 1. And then I start with the keyword for, and then I say for I less or equal to, let's say 5, I want to print fmt.print I. So long as I is less or equal to 5, keep printing I. And then once you print I, you want to increment I or increase I by 1. Okay, so once it prints I, increase this I by 1, and then I becomes 2, and then I comes back here. 2 is 2 less or equal to 5. If that is true, print I, and then increment I by 1, which is 3. 3 also comes back here. Check is 3 less or equal to 5, and then you keep doing that until this condition is false. So I'm going to run this code. So as you can see, we have the first I to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that is the first method. So let me put the method 1. Okay, so I'm going to do method 2. So this one might be very familiar to someone with a basic programming knowledge, either in C, C++, Java, Python, and other languages, Scala, and things like that. So I'm going to start with the keyword for J, starting from, let's say 5. And if J it's less than or equal to 25, keep increasing J++, okay? And then we can now print J. So J starts from 5. We check against if it's less or equal to 25, and then it will print and increase J by 1 in that order. So let me just do this to separate the output. So I'm going to rerun the code. So as you can see, it starts printing from 5 to 25. Okay. So what if we start from 25 minus greater or equal to 5. So we're just reversing the looping. So it's starting from 25, keep decreasing until this condition is terminated. Okay, so I'm going to run this. So as you can see, it starts from 25, 24 until 5. So this is the opposite way of using the for loop. Okay, so I'm going to show you the third method, method 3. It's for, use the for keyword and then your curly braces, and then within your curly braces, you keep printing, let's say hello, and then you can break. Okay, so that is the third method. Okay, so let me run this code and see what we get. So she just prints hello, and then it breaks out. So what if we comment out this keyword break? Let's see what we're going to get. You see, it's going to print indefinite hello. Okay, so let me stop it. Okay, so you don't want to use this kind of for loop until you know what exactly you're trying to do. This one is going to print indefinite hello. Okay. So let's try this and do some operation with a loop. Okay, so let me do this. So for I, let's say for I is equal to 1, and then is I less or equal to 10, and then I plus plus, and then I want to introduce an if statement, but in our subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how you can use for loops in Go. So I'm going to say if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, we want to continue. I want to use the keyword continue, and then we want to print I. Okay. We don't want to do anything here. We want to continue. So let me run this. Sorry, let me uncomment this because it's going to run forever. So yeah, so what this is doing is printing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it's not printing the even ones, it's printing the odd numbers. Okay, so this is like the odd numbers. And if I wanna do else, else print yeah, I could have printed this as well. Print I, and then ignore this part. So I'm just interested in the even numbers, okay? So as you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So I'm just interested in the even numbers. So that is how we use for loops in Go. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and then I'll see you in the next one. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.